Today's video is how to log in an ASA server without trace your IP. So that's mean you can using Tor. Like if you already used Tor browser, so you can see the Tor browser randomly change your public IP so that other cannot track you, right? So same thing happening here. So same thing I will show you in terminal. For this demonstration, I install a Kali Linux to my local server, and I will log in a AWS EC2 instance. Okay, and as you can see, I already logged in a Kali Linux. So this is okay. This is my local IP address. Okay, and currently my public IP is curl config. Okay, so this is my public IP address right now. So first I will log in my EC2. So if you just type last, so you can see the last login. So can you see the IP address? This is the same IP address. This is my public IP address. So I just log in from my laptop. So the same public IP address. So that's when anyone can track me if I log in this EC2, right? So now you want to hide yourself. You don't want to tell anyone that you are logged in this server. So if anyone just copy this IP in a browser, go to Google and type what is my ISP and go to this website. Oops, it's not opening. Why? What is my ISP? Okay, again open in new tabs. I think it's opening now. Okay, here you go. So as you can see, this is my telecom name, and it's located in Bangalore. So also you can search like this way. You can put any IP address, any public IP address, and find the IP address. Okay, so if you log in and this is a server, so they can just type the comment last and they can copy the IP address and they can track you. Now you want to hide yourself, right? So now I will go my Kali Linux virtual machine, and here I just installed a torghost. Okay, so torghost is not a service. You can find a torghost on a GitHub. So I just installed this package, or you can say software. I will show you that how to install also the software. So here torghost, maybe you cannot see clearly, but the command is on the screen. You can see torghost space -s. So if I hit enter, now it's paging current IP, and here is my new IP. So if you copy this IP and paste over here, and you can say find IP address, as you can see it's from different area. So now if you just logged into the same server, let me run the A-stub, otherwise the session will be out. Okay, now just log in from here, SSH. if I just log in from Kali Linux. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm in sudo so okay, here type last. As you can see, the IP address is changed now. So let's run the A stuff for a moment, because otherwise the session will be out. And here too, because I already logged in. Okay, now okay, let me just quit this one. Exit. Okay. Torghost space -r. So here in this command you can renew your public IP. Now it's getting changed. Okay, my new IP is 179.43.126. So just log in again. Okay, it's login now. Login. Okay. Now type last again. Type is changed. So here the different IP address, and if I log in, the IP address change. So if you want to know why, so you need to understand the Tor concept, how Tor browser work, how the proxy server work. So if you understand that how Tor work, then you can understand why the IP address is different. But it's not necessary that what IP address you are getting here. The thing is, you are hiding yourself. So that's the motto of this video, that how you can hide yourself in an SSH server or FTP server or anything. If you are scanning a server, it will not show you your IP address. Okay, exit. Now how to install Tor browser. So you can Google from here. So now I will show you that how you will install this torghost application. So just type torghost here. So you can see the GitHub link. Okay. This is a different one. Torghost for Kali, right? This one. Okay, here we go. So I just install this application. Just go to code and copy or download zip, and after that just ls cd torghost ls. So here you can see the py torghost.py. So we have to edit this file first. So go vim torghost.py, because if you don't change this code, you cannot ping any server or you cannot nmap any server. Otherwise you can do anything, like you can curl any server, you can SSH log in to a server, but you cannot ping from your local server, because it's changing the firewall rules, IP table rules. So I'm going to change here the firewall rules first. Okay, so let's search for IP tables. BLES. Add the IP tables on to there we go. Here maybe somewhere you can see a reject, like maybe here the IP tables output minus J. Maybe it's okay. Let me open this code first, then I can show you the different what I change. Control F, IP table, there we go. See this option, IP table minus output is reject. I just change this last one, reject from asset. So this one for ICMP protocol. Okay, by default it's rejects. That's mean you cannot ping any server. So if you accept this one, so you can ping on the server. So that's it. Just change, save it. Okay, and then run this build.sh file. This build.sh file, and after that it will be installed. And now after install this application, you can use such a command, or you can find all these command from here. See, -s for start, -r4 sorry -r4 switching request new torghost node, and like that. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.